Welcome in this channel. Today we are taking numerical related to dimensional analysis. We know that dimensional analysis are used in three ways. First, we can convert one system to another system, Then second point, we can establish formula. And third, we can check formula is correct or not. Okay. So now here we are taking numerical related to establish formula, and in few examples we will check also that these formula are correct or not. Okay, so let us start. First numerical: in this way, a mass m attached to one end of the spring executed simple harmonic motion. Meaning of SHM is simple harmonic motion. If k is spring constant and t is the time period of oscillation of the body, then show that t is equal to 2 pi m by k is wrong. We will prove here by the dimensional method that this formula is not correct, and we will find correct formula also. Okay, so here it was given t is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. So now first we will write the dimension of t, m and k. So we can start. Dimension formula of t is t, not 1 is here, capital T. Then dimension of m, capital M will come, no doubt. And then dimension formula of k. We know that force is directly proportional to the displacement in the case of a spring. If you will remove this proportionality constant, F is equal to kx, and this k is known as your spring constant. So to find the dimension of k, we will check dimension of f and x, and dimension of f divided by x we will get k. So in this way we will get ml t की power minus 2 force divide by L. So we will get L will cancel out, m t की power minus 2, this is minus 2, this is the dimension of the k. Now left hand side is what? T. So left hand side dimension will come only t, and right hand side dimension should become, that is your t. But we will check here it is coming or not. If we will write the dimensional formula of right hand side, so here it was given 2 pi. Constant we will not take, we will take only dimension of m and k. Dimension of m is m, and k we will write m t की power minus 2. M will be cancelled out here, so here it will remain 1 upon t की power minus 2. We can write t square. Right hand side is coming t square while left hand side is t. Both are not same. So we can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now we will derive formula. So here time is depending two things, mass and spring constant. So we will take in this way m raised to the power a and k raised to the power b. And here we will write dimension, here we will write dimension, here we will write dimension. So t means t, or we can write m0 l0 t. Here we will write m and k dimension. Then we will equate here m raised to the power a plus b coming, and t raised to the power minus 2b. In this side m raised to the power is 0. It means a plus b is equal to 0. Now L is not given here, so don't take L power. Now we will equate minus 2b, here nothing is there, 1. So minus 2b is equal to 1. We can say b is equal to minus 1 by 2. B is equal to minus 1 by 2 and a plus b is equal to 0. It means a should become 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2, b raised to the power minus 1 by 2. We will substitute here value. So then here it will come t directly proportional to under root m by k, because 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 is coming. And we will remove this. So then it was given here 2 pi. So we will substitute here t is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. This is the correct formula, while it was given t is equal to 2 pi m by k, this was the wrong. So in this way here, with the help of dimensional analysis, we are checking the formula is correct or not, and we are deriving formula also, which was coming t is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. I hope so you understood. We are taking one more numerical. Now second question is in this way. Our students write the Einstein's relation. We know Einstein's mass energy relation, that is E is equal to mc square. But that student written E is equal to C square M, C square upon M. So is the relation correct? We will check that. We will tell them that this relation is correct or not. If this relation is not correct, so we will find the correct relation also. C is what here? Velocity of light. M is the mass. So here left hand side is what given E, and we know the dimension of E is ml square t raised to the power minus 2. Now here we will calculate dimension of right hand side. So dimension of right hand side C square upon M. We will substitute here value and we are getting m raised to the power minus 1 L square t raised to the power minus 2. Here left hand side is coming m, but right hand side is coming m raised to the power minus 1. So this is not correct. The relation is not correct because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So what will we do? We will derive formula. How will we derive? E is depending two factors, velocity of light and mass. So E is directly proportional to m raised to the power a, c raised to the power b. We will substitute here the dimension both sides and we will equate the power. Here m L square t raised to the power minus 2. Here m raised to the power a, L raised to the power b and t raised to the power minus b. Here m raised to the power 1, here a. So a is equal to 1. Then L square L raised to the power b. It means b is equal to 2. Here you can check also. Minus 2 is equal to minus b. So b is equal to 2. So what is coming here? E is directly proportional to mc square. And here E is directly proportional to, or E is equal to mc square, because the here proportionality constant is 1. So in this way we are getting correct relation E is equal to mc square. I hope so you understood both numerical, and if you having any doubt you can send me message in your comment box, and next video we will take more numerical. So thank you everyone.